Hello my dear friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today we're gonna use this gold microcord and this black paracord 550. But before we start, if you want to learn how to make the beautiful paracord bracelet I am wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, let's start. Take the ends of a black paracord and put them together to find the center. Now when we find the center, we're gonna take this little bite and let me just zoom a bit. Pull it from the top into the buckle, and then we're gonna pull these two strands through the loop we created, like so. Now from here, we're gonna take this end, right side, and pass it from the back through the buckle, and then from the top through the loop we created. Now we're gonna do the same with the left side. So take the left side strand, pass it under and from the back through the buckle, then from the top through the loop, and tie this. From here we're gonna pass to the top side, from the top into the buckle, pinch it from the back and then on top of the core strand, under from the back through the buckle, and then from the top through the loop. So as you can see, we created our bracelet core. Now we're gonna start with our cobra knots or Solomon weaves. So take your left side strand, place it on top of the core strands, then with the right side strand on top of the left side strand, under the core strands and from the back through the loop on the left. So basic cobra knot or Solomon weave. Now with the left strand, we're going to take the right side strand, place it again on top of the core strands with the left one on top of the right side strand, under the core strands, and then through, from the back through the loop on the right side. Now we're going to take the left side black on top of the core strands, right side black on top of the left side black, under the core strands, and then through the loop on the left. And we're going to repeat this knots all the way down to the end of a buckle. Bracelet, sorry. So now when we created our bracelet, we're gonna take our gold microcord and we're gonna do the stitching part. So I'm gonna zoom a bit so you can clearly see. And we're gonna start. So from here I'm gonna insert our microcord from the back, and we're gonna pass it from the back through here. So let me show you. Always tie a little knot on the end. As you can see. Now from here we're gonna place our microcord like this, and we're gonna insert it into this loop here, so onto the side and from the side through. Now from the top into the loop and on top of this microcord, so through. Like that. Then we're gonna turn it around, and we're gonna pass around this one, this strand here, and through the loop again. So around and through, like so. Now we're gonna proceed. We're gonna place it onto the left and then insert it through this loop here. Now from the top back to this one and through the loop. And as we did on the first knot, we're gonna place it on top of this and under and through the loop, like so, and pull it. So once more, place it, pass it under this strand here through this knot or loop, as you wish. Cinch it, and then from the top into this loop here. Now we're going to return it from the back on top of this strand and through. As you can see. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit that bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, and see you soon. Bye!